Hey everyone, it's Andrew from KUSA. Gonna have a quick installation video today to show you how to install your TRS tactical rail. We'll first start by showing clear, making sure that the weapon is safe. Drop the hammer. You'll start by removing the plastic handguard from your KS-12. Then we are going to set up our rail for installation. The first thing you're going to do is make sure that the angled section of the locking wedge is facing towards the muzzle. Towards the rail is the end of this chamfer. You'll take this block and place it inside of the tab inside of the rail. On some of the rails this may fit tightly and you may need to use a screwdriver or any rounded surface to tap this into place. Then you're going to take the rail and install it onto the gun. First by sliding it over the muzzle, up and around the gas block, and then angling it so that the front edge will go over the sight base. Once it's over the sight base, you're going to get the tab positioned into the receiver, and this is a bit of a snug fit, so you may need to use a couple of taps with a mallet to get it seated. Once seated, you need to align the hole in the bottom of the rail with the hole in the gas block. You can use this, the same Torx tool that you'll use to install the screw can be used to set this up. You'll just place it in there, make sure that you're right around the same location. You'll take your screw and insert it into the hole and begin to tighten. Once you've got the screw tightened down about 3 turns, you're going to take a rubber mallet and tap the bottom to make sure that the screw and the wedge are seated against the gas block. Once you've done that, you'll take your tool again and make sure to wind down until it's fully seated. Once fully seated, give 1/4 turn. Now you're fully installed and ready to mount anything to the rail. Thanks and have fun.